it.
Morning,
You'll
madam.
see it all on the line. When
Happy
Australia
naman
take on India in the NRMA.
Come up na. I'll get you.
I'm trying to scare you.
You're scary. Alright, this one is heavy. Hi, you have to finish that food.
That's why.
See you soon, okay?
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy your swimming and take care in the water, okay?
Okay. We're not really doing like these swimming lessons. We're just like playing around.
Well, just enjoy. Make sure you don't go in the deep part of it, huh?
We never do that.
Well, let's check. Go in there. Go in there. The door is open. I'm taking Celine to the library. You know, last time, guys, nung maliit pa siya, dinadala ko siya dito, diba? I'm not sure kung online nakasabi o naman. Oh, I'm not sure, Baba. Different one. Maybe they did the one here for the little ones. Sabi ng babae, kakatapos lang.
Ma?
Here, let's ask upstairs, okay?
Okay.
Ay, first time namin bumalik dito, guys, for so long.
Mama, he's upstairs.
Kasi, nakasabi online na yung 1 to 2 years old from 9:30 to 10. Tapos 10 to 10:30 is yung 2 to 5. So, kaya 10 kami pumunta ni Baby Celine, but wala man. Let's go inside the library and
Let me
ask.
go next library.
Next library?
Yeah, this is the library.
Okay.
Go.
We can just read books then. Maulan today. Very humid. We'll ask, okay? Nandito kami sa library na it's a prank kami ni Baby Celine, guys. 9:30 to 10 pala. 10 kami dumating dito. Di natapos na sila. Kami na talaga. Ibang library pala yung 10 o'clock, guys. So now we know 9:30 to 10 pala dito. Every Tuesday. Okay. Lulu. Your face, Celine. Okay, me. Oh, wow. I remember Lini was so little when we played this one dito sa library na to. Disclaimer, wala kaming alam sa ginagawa namin, guys, ha? Ano lang to siya. Pretending. Okay. I'll eat yours. Ning. Where is the magnet on this one, Daddy?
Probably in the bag.
Inside. Inside this one? Lini has got a new toy, guys. Actually, not Lini's. So,
I don't have
alam
any
ko
toy.
na ano pa. Ay, bitten. No, 2 weeks till Christmas, guys. But nandito na ang ating Christmas gift from Daddy Mike. So, ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike na regalo from me, guys, for Christmas. Ayan. Talagang vlogger na vlogger tayo, guys.
Christmas
This is the DJI. What's this one, Bob? Osmo. Huh?
Mom, I can do magic trick.
Osmo Pocket? What's there?
Yeah, Osmo Pocket 3.
Osmo Pocket 3. Daddy Mike has been playing with it, guys. Nanood si Daddy Mike ng mga YouTube tutorial para malaman kung paano gamitin But ako hindi ko pa na na kubi-kubi kasi busy pa si mami nyo, guys. Alam nyo, it has been few days na wala akong vlog, wala akong edit. Sobrang busy tayo sa ating maliit na business, guys. Kaya medyo kapos tayo sa oras. But, you know, I'm looking forward to finally, using this one. Hindi ko alam kung kailan gagamitin. Yesterday, pumunta ako ng Kmart. Bumili ako ng memory card. So, micro SD for this one. Ito, ganito siya, guys. Oh. Ganyan siya. Bongga. Nakikita ko lang to siya sa mga bagong vloggers. And then, na-mention ko Daddy Mike na ito siya very handy. Kasi kapag nagba-vlog ako sa public, yung current camera kasi natin, guys, is Canon M50. So, medyo malaki talaga siya. Bulky siya ba? So, naisip ni Daddy Mike na ito yung bilhin for me for Christmas. Kaya dumating na siya. And, tingnan nyo, bonggang-bongga to siya ba? Ganyan. Susunod talaga siya, guys, sa nakaset kasi to siya. I think. Dodo. So, ito siya, hindi tayo parang ma-feel, what's the word? Like, medyo ma-shy. Kasi, parang kalma lang siya, hindi siya masyadong, sa labas, diba? Very compact siya. Hindi talaga kitang-kita ng mga tao na nagbablog ka ba. Ganon. So, this is super cute.
Very discreet.
Yeah. So, tingnan niyo. Bongga. So, yung binili ni Daddy Mike, guys, isang set talaga to siya. So, ganito, meron din siyang, bongga. Yes, my love. Careful. This is, parang vlogger na vlogger ka talaga dito, guys. Kasi meron kang microphone, meron siyang stand. Oh, yeah, that's for your toy. And then, meron pa siya, basta may mga kasama siya, guys. You said, hi, guys. Talk lang, that's the microphone when you vlog.
Mom,
Talagang, marinig niyo talagang sinasabi
we
namin.
need two microphones.
Yeah.
The ESO one. We mean the ESO one.
Also one. Yeah, that one. That's a different one. That's a karaoke microphone. Celine. This one is the vlogging one. So yeah, pretty cool.
Mom, this is the one of those pink things in here, in your ear.
Ah, it's earphone.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like that?
So someone can call me. I can call Daddy.
Yeah, you can call Daddy. But yeah, kailangan ko pang mag-research ito, guys, kung paano gamitin para para maganda, soft, smooth ang ating paggamit dito. But yeah, for now, yung ginagamit ko is yung ating M50 kasi wala namang problema sa camera na to, guys. Sila nyo, kitang-kita pa naman, very clear naman tong camera na to. Wala akong issue sa camera na to, guys. And yeah, ito lang talaga parang surprise to Daddy Mike sa akin for Christmas kasi alam niya na, I want to vlog also like outside. And it's very nice kapag discreet lang siya. Pag hindi siya halataan na malaking camera yung bit-bit mo. So yeah, vlogger na tayo nito, guys. I know, baby. So it's now 2:12 ng hapon, guys.
This is Auntie's favorite toy.
Yeah, you're gonna give that to Ate now? Good girl. So, nandito kami sa harapan ng school ni Ate Paris kasi we have to pick her up early today. Meron kaming appointment, dental appointment for Ate Paris at 3:20. Yes, baby.
Show this.
That's alright. It's alright. You show it later to Ate Paris. So, kailangan namin siya pick upin kasi it's around 30 minutes. Especially ngayon, guys, maulan. So, baka may traffic. Papunta doon sa dentist na pupuntahan namin sa Upper Mount Cravat. So, sabi ko 2:30 ko siya pipick upin eh. It's now 2:13. Meron pang time but I'm thinking maybe I should go pick her up now kasi baka malate pa. Kailangan kasi namin dumating doon 10 minutes before the appointment. So, dapat nandun kami ng 3:10. Alright, Lynn, girl. Sobrang ulan, guys. My God. Look at this.
Mom, show it to me. Little cat.
Little cat. Ba? Look. Kaya sobrang init for the past few days. Kasi may storm. Good
You are so silly and taking. Yours? Actually, look, I can do making cake.
Oh, God, guys. Basang-basa kayo. Tara niyo.
Can I try it? Yeah.
Come on. It's very tricky.
Thank
Buti na lang yung plaso na di Paris. Nandiyan lang sa harapan. Oh.
yours.
Yeah. What do you say, Talini, ate?
Thank you. For you.
Very sweet of you, Lini.
I made me sick. And mommy, that part is an floor. I'm not supposed to play with it.
That's right. Okay, ate, sit this on.
Where did you get it?
Going. Oh my goodness. Kakarating lang namin, guys. Ang ating baby Celine ay sleeping beauty man. Careful, ate. Careful, stop. Makas na yung ulan, guys. Nandito na kami. Pure dentistry. Come on, open the door. Come on. I've got Celine, oh. I'm carrying Celine. Thank you so much. Ang ganda naman. Oh, that's very nice lang.
A girl.
Huh?
What if it's called a boy or girl?
I think it's a girl. Ang ganda dito, guys. Sarap ng amoy. Parang shopping center sa Pinas ang amoy.
So cold.
Do you like it?
So cold.
So cold. See, it's raining outside. Napaka-ulan.
Look at Christmas
We're just waiting, guys. Natawagin.
Look, Christmas tree.
I know. Very nice Christmas tree. Dental care in the first. Time check, guys. It's 4:08 ng hapon. Kakalabas lang namin from the dentist. And nandito kami sa harapan. Bumili kami ng calamari and chips. Kasi gutom daw ang mga girls. So, kakain muna kami dito. Yung main reason, guys, kung bakit pumunta kami dito sa dentist na to, guys. Normally kasi, yung dentist na Ate Paris na pinupuntahan namin is yung sa government na dentist ba? Kasi free yun siya. Kasi since they are still, you know, kids, free yung kanilang dental na mga dental work. But, ito sa kanya kasi, guys, we need to get a, how do you call it, no? Spacer. If you remember from few months ago, so si Ate Paris natin ay binunutan ng ngipin sa likuran dito kasi may cavities. So ngayon, sabi ng dentist sa amin,
Open po.
saktan po pala ba? Sabi ng dentist sa amin na kailangan lagyan ng spacer yung binunutan ng ngipin. Otherwise, later on, ay kailangan mag-braces si Ate Paris. Kasi matagal pa daw bago tumubo yung ngipin na binunot. So, so pumunta kami dito, guys, and I think it's a little bit late now kasi sabi ng dentist, yung ngipin sa likuran ng binunot ng ngipin ni Ate Paris, guys, ay tumubo na in the last 3 months. Yung nangyari ay yung space na dapat sa nalagyan ng spacer ay hindi na siya full. Woo! Here you go, girls. Looks good. Yung nga, sabi ng dentist, guys, na kailangan i-refer sa orthodontist kasi there's no use of putting the spacer na will cost like 750. It's crazy. Tapos, later on naman, kailangan ding mag-orthodontist, di ba? Kasi kailangan i-move yung dun sa likuran ng ngipin. So sabi niya, what we can do, maybe just leave it for now para, you know, hindi, don't have to pay anything for the spacer. Yung gagawin na lang is later on is pupunta sa orthodontist, guys, para i-move yung ngipin sa likuran. Then, they can do the spacer para sa bagong ngipin na lalabas later on kapag, lumaki na sa Ate Paris in few years time, I think. So, grabe. Ang daming chichiburechi, guys. Like, sa ngipin, very, very important din naman talaga kasi yung ngipin, guys. Kasi sobrang apekto talaga sa pag-smile mo, parang confidence mo talaga yung ngipin mo. At alam na alam ko yun, guys, kasi growing up, yung ngipin ko hindi kagandahan. Like ngayon, maganda na siya ngayon kasi pinagawa na, di ba? But habang lumalaki ba, and with Ate Paris, gusto kong maganda yung ngipin nila ni Baby Celine. Maganda naman yung ngipin ni Ate Paris, guys, kasi nga lang, kaso nga lang, dahil binunot yung isa, ngayon, problema. And now it's, you know, like it's not cheap. Like seriously, dental work is very expensive in Australia, guys. Open this one, please. So, hihintayin ko na lang yung tawag ng dentist bukas. And we'll see from there kung ano yung gagawin. Kasi sabi niya, kung sasabihin ng orthodontist na baka let's just wait for another 6 months or ano, like few months bago gagawin. Kasi like what she said, there's no use of putting spacer now, pay that much money, tapos there's no benefits for her. Alam niyo ba, consultation lang ha, like just a few minutes, just for that, it's $150. It's insane. Seriously. Buti na lang yung gawin niya dito sa Australia, guys. They provide the free dental, yung mga cleaning, yung mga, mga pasta, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Yun nga lang, hindi nila pinoprovide yung mga, mga ganitong mga malalaking, na dental work. But at least yung mga basic covered nila. Kabulin? Nay?
Mama, I eat that one. I eat that one.
Yeah?
There was some.
Say hi sa akong vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Guys, introducing my best friend.
Ay, alam mo ang kanon na camera. Sadaan karon kay sa Nikon. At
Dugay naman gani kay ni. Dito pa ning pag-start na kong vlog 2019.
oo, at least di ba naaga pa extra na income. Hindi kung pwede pa lang ang inama. Pero maulaw naman kasi siyempre, kuan baya sila dahil. Mga Muslim baya sila dahil. Gusto na natin.
Gani ayaw, oy.
Sa ilang mga kuan ba.
Lagi, privacy is the best policy. Oh, privacy is the best policy.
Pero usahay na, gaano na ko ka nang, sa ganang, naay bitaw kayo niya, di ka pwede bitaw ah. Pag sayo-sayo na lang ko sa kuan sa kanang list, ba kanang list, nagyan.
At least na kay kuan buhat yapon kay maayo mga masayaw. Kasi alam niyo ba, guys, hindi kami nagkakausap nito all the time. This is very rare na nagkakausap kami. Kaya sabi ko, i-vlog ko to. Yeah. Nasa siya ngayon? Nasang country kay Kaday?
Nako sa Dubai, hello.
Dubai, Salam
Nagkiling Dubai.
sa Dubai? Assalamualaikum.
Russia. Ha?
Sa ingon? Salam? Salam?
Assalamualaikum, mga guys, mga kuan, mga, ano yung tawag sa kuan mo? Mga,
Wala. Ay, mga kuan raw, mga love. Guys, lagod.
Parang hindi ko ba kanang, hello, welcome to my vlog, ang boycott na di-abot sa Jamaica.
Na di man ta kuan, di man ta jury cut. Wala gid tay kuan.
Wala, di tayo mga Jamaica.
Wa.